Right now, there are leaked FCC photos, retailer listings, and an official Xbox Handheld page pointing to two handheld models, and separately, fresh whispers about the next-gen Xbox architecture. I will show you the evidence, explain what each leak actually means, and why it could change how you buy Xbox hardware. First, the proof. Public FCC filings and early retailer listings show handheld hardware carrying Xbox branding and rugged-style designs. Yes, two different handheld SKUs, and Microsoft's own site now teases a handheld experience built around an Xbox full-screen UI. Because these filings are public, this isn't just rumor. Someone has filed hardware details and emails. So what was leaked? The first thread. Two handhelds appear in regulatory photos and retailer teardowns with specs that look like high-end AMD Z-class chips, 16GB RAM options, and removable storage. In short, PC-level internals in an Xbox-branded handheld shell. That's exciting because it means Xbox is not just dabbling in cloud devices, they are betting on local power. But leaks and retailer listings have been inconsistent on price and battery life, so take early spec lists with caution. Next, the official angle. Microsoft's handheld page and recent partnership messaging make it clear there is a dual strategy. Deliver an Xbox-first UI while letting the device run Windows and PC storefronts. That matters because it solves a major friction point. People want console simplicity and PC flexibility. If Microsoft locks the UX toward the Xbox's ecosystem, it could boost native Xbox titles on handheld form factors and make Cloud plus Xbox native features more seamless. Now the console whisper. Alongside handheld coverage, there are leaks and analyst chatter about a next-gen Xbox architecture, higher compute targets, and a roadmap that could overlap with new handheld silicon. Because hardware cycles influence game dev roadmaps, a next-gen console announcement would push studios to optimize for those specs. But leak numbers are unofficial, and timelines are fluid. That means we should expect marketing windows and launch dates to shift. What this means for you as a buyer and gamer. First, don't rush to pre-order based only on leaks. If the handheld truly pairs Xbox AI polish with PC-grade chips, it will be a compelling all-in-one device. But price, battery, and controller ergonomics will decide the winner. Second, if a new console generation is coming, mid-cycle purchases could face price drops later. So, weigh whether you want handheld portability now or a potential console leap soon. Because supply chains and marketing plans can change, early adapters might pay a premium for the first wave. Here is the biggest challenge for Microsoft. Make the handheld feel like a native Xbox, not a Windows compromise, while giving developers hardware predictability. If they nail that, the ecosystem succeeds. If they split focus, consumers get confusing product lines and fragmented support. But for players, competition from Asus and other PC handheld makers is forcing better designs and lower prices, which is good for everyone. So guys, if you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you can also watch Nintendo Switch 2 hot news by just clicking the video on the screen, and I will see you there.